ICSE head office. Hope তোমালোকে ঘৰতে আছা, সকলো পঢ়া শুনা কৰি আছা ঘৰতে। আমি লাষ্ট ক্লাছত গোটেইখিনি লুপৰ ডিছকাশ্যন কৰিছিলোঁ। ফৰ লুপ, while loop, do while loop, everything আমি অলৰেডি ফিনিছ কৰিছোঁ। চ' তোমালোকে এছাইনমেণ্টবোৰ নিচাকৈ এনজয় কৰিছা। And today I will teach you about the functions.
Hello students, so let's start up functions of the C program. So this is a part 6 video. So before telling the practicals of the functions, I would like to discuss some theory of the functions. And this is here is written that a function is a group of statements that together performs a task. Every C program has at least one function, which is main. Definitely main is a function, and like that printf scanf also functions. So we are going to make some custom functions to do some specific task repeatedly. When we need that function, we can bring them and just ask them to perform the particular task. Before going to the practical, you should know some terminologies, basic important terminologies, that are return type, function name, parameter list or argument list, and function body. What are these things? I will tell you in the now. So this is the syntax of a function. How we can write? This is the here. First we have to write a return type, then function name. Every function has a name. And parameter list. Parameter list indicates the what are the value you are passing to the function from the main function. What are the values you are passing to the function? And this is the function body. Here what you will do, whatever task you want to perform in a function, you just need to write here in this block. Okay, so here we will write the whatever addition, subtraction, multiplication, any counting or anything we can write here, or printing also we can write here. Then return type means if you want to return some values to the main function, then here you need to put integer, that is in common. And if you don't want to return anything, then also you can put integer or void also. Every function has a name, so you have to put any function name. You can put just you can make a function name with the starting with a special character or a number, or like the declaration of variable. Okay, this is an example of a function. Okay, in this function I am showing here, I am taking an integer type of function which can return, or actually here I am not returning anything. That is the reason I am writing here return 0. This is a function name. My function is a function name. Then integer a means from the main function we are passing a value, just one of a value of a variable only. Then here integer b I am taking. You are aware of this. When if you are watching this video, you are probably watched my previous videos, and you have also aware of what I have been doing here. Integer b equal to a plus b, all those things I don't need to show you again. Then sum is displaying just when the function will be called, then the value of this value will be displayed. Okay. Before that, I would like to mention some most important things, basic things you have to use in every function. That is function declaration, function definition, and function call. What is declaration? Function declaration means you are telling your computer that you are using a function. In that function declaration, it will consist of function name, functions type, and parameter. And function definition, in the function definition, what are the things you want to perform using the function, that you have to write within the function definition. I will show you where is a function definition block. Then there is a function calling. Function calling is important because whatever the function written, the definition, you have to call within the main. Remember that function definition we always write outside the main function. Okay, the function we have to call to perform the task within the main function. Okay, and there are mainly 4 ways to use a function. First one is no return type, no parameter list. Then another is no return type with parameter list, and then with return type no parameter list with return type with parameter list. So first one, let's demonstrate the no return type no parameter list. Okay, this is a program. I'm keep the ready here just for to save time. There is a no return type no parameter. See, I am not going to return anything, that's why I am using the void. This is the function name ram. Okay, you can put any function name. This is a function declaration. In function declaration, always remember there is a semi-comma end of the function declaration, and this is the integer main as usual I have it taken, and this is the function calling. We can call it many times. I will show you what is it. This is a function definition, means what I am going to do, it is written here. Here in two variables a and b I am inserting some values. Okay, in and also displaying the sum of those values. As you can see outside the main, the function definition has been written. And to always remember, compiler will compile those things or display those things whatever inside the main. So you need to link your this function to the main. So to make to link the function to the main function, we have to call here within the main. Doesn't matter how many times you will call. First I will show you the what will be the expected output. I am going to compiling, and there is a result 50 is returned here. Okay, as a result 20 plus 30 is 50. Obviously we know what will happen if we call the function multiple times. Don't worry, it will be display multiple times. See, sum is 50, sum is 50, sum is 50 is showing. Okay, this is the no return type. We are not returning from the function. Here is not here return anything. We just called here. No parameter means no data we have passed from the main function. Okay, whatever data we are printing, that is within the functions itself. Okay, so let's check the next one. What is no return type with parameter list? Again, we are not going to return anything. We are just going to display the values. Second one is no return type with parameter. Here you can see, here I am calling the function, declaring the function. Here I am going to take 3 variables. That is the reason we are inserting here 3 variables: integer a, integer b, integer c. Always remember the parameter list should be maintained all over the program. If you are inserting here 2 variables, you have to give here 2 variables, here also 2 variables. You have to remember that. So here function 1, once I have sent 2 values, 3 values, then separate 3 values I have passing to the parameters. Okay, let's see what will be the output. As you can see, it is the function call and this is the function definition. I have not returning anything, just I am passing the data through the parameter. Sum is 9 and sum is 99, because first data was 2, 3, 4, sum is 9 obviously, then 22, 33, 44. result is 99. Okay, then this was the no return type with parameter. Next one is with return type no parameter. We are not going to pass any parameter here, we just return something. See, this is the function. As I have told, no parameter, I am not passing any parameter. Just here in the main function I am declaring a variable, because the function going to return something. If the function going to return something, that return value should be kept somewhere in the main function. So I am writing here I equal to f1. F1 is a function, then f1 function. Whatever will be return k will return, that will be here. This thing will be shifted to the I, so it can be stored in the main function, and sum will be displayed here. So let's see the practical. Let's run. 253. These values has been displayed from the main function. Okay. Next one is with return with parameter list. This is the combination of last two. Here I am passing parameters and returning the results in the main functions. Return to the main functions. In the last program, the values were implicitly I have given, but here values are explicit. From the main functions, values are passing, and the result is returned to the I in the main function. Let's run that. Here is the sum is 99. Result is passing 99. 22, 33, 44. The sum is 99. Like summation, you can do anything. So here I will stop the video of the function. So your task is you do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all programs with the all those 4 types, 4 ways. Practice makes perfect, remember that. So stay safe. For today we can close now.